Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another step-by-step guide on our channel. Today, we're tackling something super practical. How to withdraw USDC from your Tangem wallet to Uphold in 2025. If you're holding USDC and want to move it to Uphold for trading, spending, or just better management, this video is for you. It's quick, easy, and we'll cover everything you need to know to do it safely. First things first, make sure you have both your Tangem wallet and Uphold accounts set up and verified. In 2025, security is tighter than ever, so double-check that your wallets are updated to the latest version to avoid any hiccups. Okay, let's dive in. Step 1. Open your Tangem Wallet app on your mobile device. You'll see your dashboard with all your assets listed. Locate your USDC balance and tap on it to access the details. Step 2. Once you're in the USDC section, look for the Withdraw or Send option. This might be under a menu like Actions or directly on the asset page. Select it, and you'll be prompted to enter the recipient's details. Step 3. Now, switch over to your Uphold account. You'll need your Uphold wallet address for USDC. Copy this address carefully from the Uphold app or website. Double-check for any typos, as that could send your funds into the void. Step 4. Back in Tangem, paste the Uphold wallet address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of USDC you want to withdraw, making sure it's less than your available balance. Don't forget to review any network fees. In 2025, these might be lower with improved blockchain tech, but they still add up. Step 5. Hit Confirm and authenticate the transaction. Tangem uses secure methods like biometrics or your PIN, so follow the prompts. Once approved, the transaction will be broadcast to the network. Typically, this takes just a few minutes for USDC on networks like Ethereum or Solana. Step 6. Head back to Uphold and refresh your account. You should see your USDC arriving shortly. If it doesn't show up, check the transaction status on a blockchain explorer for peace of mind. A quick tip. Always withdraw small amounts first to test, especially in the ever-changing crypto world of 2025. And remember, crypto prices fluctuate, so time your moves wisely. There you have it. That's how you withdraw USDC from Tangem to Uphold. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more guides, and drop your questions in the comments. Stay safe out there and happy trading.